Caitlin, and I've been working with Boloco for the past 2 years as the teacher of the beginner class, and I've seen the students make tremendous progress, not only in their job performance, but in their overall confidence and the things that they can do with English outside of the class as well.
Hi, my name is Edgar Rodriguez. I am from Mexico. I have been working at Boloco for 2 years. My job is cook and cashier too. When I came in the USA, I didn't know any English word. But now I feel happy because I can understand and speak a little more English.
Now, because of the English class, I feel better. Today, I speak a little bit more English. I feel comfortable.
I like this class because I learn something new every day.
I will have better opportunities when I understand English very well. I feel more comfortable now.
I didn't speak any English. Now I speak more and can write.
When I was in Guatemala, I didn't speak English, but now I learn a lot of English. I will have a better life and many more opportunities. Thank you, Boloco.
The English class really provides them with language to be able to make everyday conversation and also work with the customers at Boloco.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
The white meal is $1 extra, okay? You like flour or whole tortilla? Flour?
Do you want something else in your burrito?
Of course, I put guacamole on your burrito, but next time you need to order with the cashier, please.
Excuse me, I have more broccoli.
You order a buffalo burrito with extra Boloco rice. Would you like for here or to go? Go?
Here you go.
I'm so proud of all the students and the hard work that they've put into learning English. They make my job the best job in the world, and congratulations.
Thank you, Boloco and teachers!